to Granbury, y'all, just 35 miles southwest of Dallas-Fort Worth. This charming downtown may be small in size, but is rich in Texas history and has a wide variety of activities that the whole entire family can enjoy. Well, the day is still young, so let's get started. So for our first stop, the beautiful and scenic Lake Granbury City Beach. Located blocks away from the hub of Granbury, it's a lively water spot with a beachy feel the whole family can enjoy. So to show us around, we met with the city's director, Tammy Dooley. How would you describe Granbury?
Granbury is actually a haven. Everybody who comes here loves it. Our biggest problem is they come to visit and they stay, and we love that. Yeah. But we do. Granbury is a tourist destination and it's an experience destination. Yeah. People come here for the experience.
If you had one day to explore, what would you do? What would you recommend?
So much to recommend, but of course first would be our lake. Here we are located on beautiful Lake Granbury. Also, we have a fabulous historical downtown with dining, shopping, attractions, entertainment.
All right.
So you can't miss any of that. And then you will find all of the people you'll meet while you're here are wonderful, warming, and welcoming. And that really is part of the experience. You'll see everyone here loves Granbury and they're happy that you're here, and they'll make you feel that way. You'll see in the restaurants and in the attractions, everything there is to visit. It's all about the people who live here.
Well, we haven't even been here very long, and we can definitely feel the love and the warm welcome just stepping foot onto this beautiful lake right now. So it's so wonderful meeting you, and you gave us so much to do already, and so we have a great list. If you don't mind just showing us the way for one of the things we should do.
Absolutely, and we're going to take you on Granbury's trolley.
Best way to see a town, right?
Best way.
All right, I'm excited. Everything's bigger in Texas, right? All right, we're having such a good time here in Granbury, Texas, and believe it or not, our time here is only beginning because we came at the perfect time of the year. It's for their annual walk and wine tour that's been going on for years and years and years, and this happens to be our first time out here. So, I'm definitely excited, so let's make our way around. Granbury's historic downtown square is more than just shops and dining. It's also host to a number of events throughout the year, including their annual wine walk. Need I say more? So to share more about the event, we met with Tim. Wine walk. Two things that I can get behind.
Okay, good.
Definitely easy for me to do. So How does it all work? It sounds too good to be true.
Okay, so 10 years ago, a bunch of folks came together and we said, we want to do a really special festival in Granbury, something different they've never seen before, and we came up with this wine walk concept.
Yeah.
So what we do is we have 4 different clusters of booths, and each one of those clusters have art booths, food booths, wine, and music.
Okay.
Yeah, so when you come get your ticket, you're going to get a ticket. It's got 15 different tastings on it. You get to go to any one of the wineries, give them one of the stubs, get a taste of that wine. And we have wineries, it's 22 different wineries. They're all from across the state. A lot in North Texas, but really from across the state. So you get to try some wineries that you probably never heard of before. And it really is to feature everything Texas-based. So nothing here is from outside the state of Texas. It's all Texas wines, food, music, and art.
That is true to our show, YOLO Texas.
Awesome.
We love to highlight
You only
everything.
live once.
Right, exactly. There you go. My next question is, where do I start? Where do I get my glass? How does that all work?
Oh, nice. Okay, so when you get here, you'll come to the ticket booth and we'll check you in. We give you a commemorative glass. We give you a wristband, let you know that you're legal, and you get the ticket with the 15 tastings. So once you check in at the booth, you take your glass and your ticket and you start walking the event. There's a map there so you can start checking out all the wineries. They'll show you what they have, and then you'll get to pick one, you get to try it. You can buy it right there at the booth if you want a bottle of it. And then we also have a great feature where most wine festivals, when you purchase a bunch of bottles, you have to lug them around with you.
Right.
Well, here, we have a voucher system. So when you purchase the bottle at the winery booth, they'll give you a voucher. So when they're ready to go home, they go to the wine warehouse, they turn in the vouchers, they pick up their wine, and they go home.
How perfect.
Yeah, so it gives you a chance to enjoy all the wine. You don't have to lug around a bunch of bottles. And to be honest, it's one of the few, I think we may be the only festival that does it like that.
With tickets in one hand, glass in the other, it was time for YOLO Texas to experience the wine walk for ourselves. And what better way to start than by trying out a local wine by Barking Rocks Winery.
The wine we're proudest of today is a 2015 Merlot. 2015 was a great year in Texas, so we made some fabulous wines.
Yeah.
So I want you to try it. Yeah. So we got these grapes from the High Plains, which is south and west of Lubbock. So some of our nicest appellations in that part of the country, because it's cool at night, and wine grapes just love cool weather. So do I.
Yeah, and it goes down too smooth, actually.
Yeah, that's very nice.
That's a great Merlot.
So this is our dry Blanc du Bois. We grow it in Santa Fe, Texas. It's right behind our vineyard. And we produced a double gold winning medal in San Francisco this year, and also won 9 medals at Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. Well, we're proud of that.
Absolutely, and you should be, because this is delightful. This is very refreshing. With over 20 wineries on site, you are sure to find a new favorite. But the Granbury Wine Walk is more than just that. Visitors can listen to live entertainment, mingle with the wine creators themselves, and chat with every vendor and cheesemaker too. All right, we told we were supposed to come over here because you have the best cheese.
The one that you're trying right now is our Granbury Gold. It's a young Gouda handmade raw milk cheese.
This is delicious, and it goes really well with the wine that I'm drinking.
Besitos de chocolate, little chocolate kisses.
Ooh.
It has natural flavors of chocolate and strawberry. It's great wine.
Holy smokes, that's delicious.
Thank you.
That is really tasty. That is a great dessert wine. After a fantastic day sipping, savoring, strolling, and shopping, it was time for YOLO Texas to call it a night. So if you're needing to hit refresh and reconnect, restore yourself in Granbury. It's the perfect escape, offering a little something for every taste.